Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do in case you cannot unlock your Honor 600 using your lock screen PIN code. So the best solution in such situation would be reaching out to Honor customer support service and notifying them about this issue, since if you have the proof of the ownership of your device, for example, a receipt or an e-receipt from the store where you bought it, you'll be able to provide it to them, and then they'll be able to help you out and recover the access to your smartphone without removing any data from it. Now, if this option is unavailable for you, then you're gonna have to perform a factory reset. And in order to do this remotely, you have to grab any other device around you that has internet access. It can be your other smartphone, it can be your tablet, your laptop, your PC, whatever. Enter the web browser and go to the FindHub website. This is the official Google website where you have to sign in to the Google account, which is linked with your Honor smartphone, and then go to the Devices tab, select your Honor 600, and select Factory Reset Device. And this will perform the factory reset operation remotely. After that, you'll be able to continue using your device once again after you set it up once again. Now, if you want to perform the factory reset operation locally, you're going to have to connect your device to a computer or a laptop using a USB-C cable. Connect your smartphone, and after that, turn it off. Press power button and volume up key at the same time. Select power off. Once your device is turned off, you're going to have to hold down the power button and volume up key at the same time and release them once you see the Magic OS menu on your screen, or once the Honor logo disappears. Navigate here using up and down volume keys and select with the power button. If you want to perform a factory reset operation, you have to select Clear Data option and then follow the instructions. However, if you do remember your device's PIN code but still cannot use it to access your smartphone, you can go into safe mode and try entering it there, as in some cases your device might simply be lagging because of some third-party application interference with your lock screen, and the safe mode outrules this issue. So let's get into the safe mode. Now, try unlocking your device, and in case you succeed this time, you can go straight to Settings, scroll down to Biometrics and Passwords, select Disable Lock Screen Password, click OK, enter your PIN code once again to confirm, and then get back into the normal mode by pressing and holding power button and volume up key at the same time and selecting Restart. And then wait until your device is restarted. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.